Hello, I am Shalish Kashyap, and today our topic is question tag. A question tag is a grammatical structure in which a declarative or an imperative statement is turned into a question by the addition of an interrogative fragment. For example, that is your dog, isn't it? As we can see in this example, tag questions are usually formed by a statement and a question tag. So, in this example, that is your dog is a statement, isn't it? Is a question tag. So, thus, sentence the sentence in blue are the statements, and the part in red is the question tag in this given examples. So, question tags usually are short questions added to the end of the statement. This is very important point, at the end of the statement. So in this previous example, as we can see, that is your dog, isn't it? So isn't it we have added at the end of the statement. Now second point, made up of an auxiliary verb or a modal verb and a pronoun as the subject. Now third point, it is usually contract or shorten the negative form of the verb in a question tag. Now when you say something positive, use a negative question tag. So in this example, they like teddy bears. They like teddy bears is a positive statement, so question tag will always be negative. Don't they? In this chart, as you can see, some positive statements and their negative tags. One example, you are a student. You are a student is a positive statement, so tag will be negative. Aren't you? When you say something negative, we always use a positive question tag. So our negative statement, I don't have to bring extra food. I do not have to bring extra food, that is a negative statement, so question tag will be positive. Do I? As we can see in this chart, some negative statements and their positive tag. For example, you are not a teacher. You are not a teacher is a negative statement, so question tag will be positive. Are you? Few points that we always use a question tag to find out if something is true. For example, he is our fastest runner, isn't he? Now second point, use a question tag to get someone to agree with you on something. For example, the curry was hot, wasn't it? When you say the curry was hot, you want someone's opinion whether that person is agree with you or not. So question tag will be wasn't it. Now third statement, if the statement has a word like is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, can, could, would, must, we always repeat the word in the question tag. For example, they are helpful, aren't they? As you can see in this chart, there are a number of negative question tags as well as positive question tags according to the using different tenses. Now few points, we always use does not, do not and did not in a question tag if the statement does not contain an auxiliary verb. For example, your mother cooks a lot of vegetable. Here we could not find any auxiliary verb, so question tag will be does not she. Now second point, use a question tag after the statement, not after the question. I hope now you will have a good idea about a question tag. Thank you so much.